Hi everyone, it's Liam at Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2018 Volkswagen Polo. Now of course you do get your halogen daytime, your LED daytime running lights in either bottom corner. You have full halogen automatic headlights, front parking sensors, and you also have these brilliant painted alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one of these 16-inch alloys. Just showing you the rear one here. Coming round to the rear now, you've also got rear parking sensors. You then come into the tailgate and we have plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split flat folding rear seats that do fold flat with the boot floor when it is on the upper level. As you can see, you can lift up the boot floor and drop it down a level just to increase boot capacity in there. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now we have full cloth interior with your ISOFIX mounting points at the bottom. You've then got electric windows all round. Coming inside the car, we then also have your DSG gearbox. This also comes with your dual climate control in the front. You've then got a touchscreen display in the middle, which comes with your various radio bands just here in the bottom left. You get your various audio sources again in the bottom left again. You've got Bluetooth hands-free, voice assistant, satellite navigation, and then you've also got your CarNet, which is your app connect as well, which allows Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your audio settings on the left, then we've got your onboard computer controls on the right, your cruise controls on the indicator stalk, and as you can see, this Polo has done 25,909 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Volkswagen Polo, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.